I wonder what I can do. I mean, I haven't
Little
appeared in a Green Star video in a long time. Aha! I got an idea. Since Green Star Emily is my most hated user, I might have to hack into her channel. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I am going to hack for Green Star's channel. Since she's a stupid bitch who doesn't deserve 2,000 subs. Ha 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 ha.
I guess that's enough for Discord and the internet for now. Better take a nap so I can feel rested and hereafter.
Okay, here's Emily's computer. Now I'm going to hack it. So, she logged out. I need to know her email. Aha. Now since I am on the Google login page, Emily will never see me.
Mufasa,
Oh shit.
quick!
I don't have
Start
her
reading
password.
in the gorge.
Maybe it.
Symbols down.
Oh wait, I got it. What the ever living fuck? That's the wrong password? God damn it. I really want to hack into Emily's account. Okay, let's try this again. Wrong again? GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR. I am seriously starting to think Emily has higher codes than this bitch. Okay, last try. If I get this right, I will hack it and try to delete her videos for good. Yes, yes. Help
This is gonna make Game Network.
Attention. Shut the fuck up and stop what you guys are doing right now. We have important news.
No, I am not going to shut the fuck up because something.
Did you not fucking hear me? I said shut the fuck up or else I will stick my pencil up your ass so hard it's going to hurt.
No, shut the fuck up, you.
Someone is trying to hack my account and delete all my videos.
I was just.
Bitch, I cannot believe you make grounded videos that sit you grounded for 927932785764645757410 fucking years. Go to your room now. I'm breaking up with you.
Stop lying right now. I know you.
I don't care, go to your room right now.
Hello, welcome to the Frick. Yeah, you can do so much point full videos. Ha 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 ha. Soy, rough. Making the makings on funny random videos. No, just kidding. Random video sucks ass.
That's all for now.
How dare you make my boyfriend fucking break up with you? That's it. I will call your parents right now. You better not do it again, understand?
TJ, I can't believe you motherfucker wrote that shit about me. That's it. I need you to make that video about that show is like none of this bullshit never ever happened. Now after this shutdown, I am going to call 911.
We don't care.
Jesus fucking Christ.
You're grounded for 5 years.
No fucking pause. You are still grounded for hacking into an account. This will teach you a lesson not to hack into everyone's account, including the ones they have fears. You will not get that new Halo game when it comes out. Now go upstairs to your room.
I'm going to preach on something when I come home from school. I do dishes, make the bed, light up the candle. I'm not going to need to work when I go to church.
Now it's time to shut this down for
His
good.
name's Dad, not TJ.
Stop crying like a 2-year-old baby and go to sleep right now.
That's all I have to say. Goodbye, Sue. Everything said on the letter. Now that Sue is with me again, she will be ungrounded.
Watching News Network. Now someone is after since as January 2009, redemption laptop TV just the price of food laminates and now I'm going to smash it. Mike, thank you for watching us all these years, and thanks
is now not there. Please watch another channel. Thank you.
Guess what, TJ? I uploaded a video on that shit and it's getting thousands and thousands of views. I'm so motherfucking pissed at your fucking behavior. You were so fucking grounded for 22 weeks. Got your room, you piece of crap shit.